Hello YouTube friends. Here we have another unboxing for you again. This time it's of a, see if I can pronounce this correctly, Huananzhi X10X99-16D. It's a X99 motherboard. So this is a motherboard that's designed for the old and venerable E5 2600 series CPUs, and it's a twin CPU motherboard. I'll be using this motherboard on a server that I'm going to be putting together. That's going to be for some Docker containers that I'll be running, pretty much for home use. I guess you could call it a home lab. And well, that's the motherboard for it. And let me open it up here and see how this thing looks. Let's see here. Oh, let's just dig into it, I guess. It looks like they did a pretty good job in packing it up. I received a previous motherboard from this company, but it turned out that it was damaged. The packaging wasn't all that good. And of course, it's not really their fault, because I mean, even though the packaging was adequate, the shippers tend to throw them all around, and it somehow got damaged. One corner of it was smashed in. This one seems to have been packed a lot better. The other one just came in its retail packaging. This one seems to have come in a box, and possibly the retail box on the inside. As you can see, because of the packaging here, it is one of those boards that comes from China. Inexpensive boards that are driving some of these old CPUs that used to be state of the art some 10 or 15 years ago. Let's see here. Now, I am by no means an expert in server hardware. I just do it for fun and pretty much for home use. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so let's see. Let's flip it over. So that's the company right there, Huananzhi. I am in no way affiliated with any of these companies that I am unboxing. I pretty much have bought all my own hardware. This motherboard here, I believe I paid around $145 for it, and I'll be driving some E5 2699 CPUs on it. Let's see. Well, let's open this one up. Don't quite fit in my table here. Let's see. Sorry for all the moving around. It's probably gonna look bad on the video, but oh, we'll see. Let's see. Take the motherboard out. It's a pretty big, hefty motherboard. And some of its other miscellaneous hardware that comes with it. For, I guess it's for the fans. And then SATA cables, some hardware, I/O shield, and warranty card in Chinese. Too bad I can't read Chinese. That's it there. Let's see here. Set this aside for a minute. Let's see. Okay, that's the motherboard right there. Looks pretty big. It's an EATX size motherboard, I believe. And well, it's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 PCI, and it's got I'm gonna need a battery for it, and it looks like it's got for the NVMe or NVM drives on there. Okay. And let's see the I/O here. And so it's got VGA, which is pretty much all that I'll be needing. So I mean, even though it's labeled on the box as a gaming motherboard, I'm not in any way going to be using this for gaming. Although I do think it's adequate for gaming, but not to the extreme that a lot of the younger generation tends to play games at. So for me, VGA is pretty much enough. It's got, I believe that's IPMI on there, and then it's got the dual Ethernet ports. I think they're gigabit, if I'm not mistaken. Your regular audio, USB 3.0. And it's got a serial port on there, which I don't anticipate using. Yeah, so that's what it is there. Let's see, it's got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 SATA ports on there. Okay. And everything else is pretty much standard RAM. And it's got a heatsink on these here. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and also, so let's check, let's see, one thing that I like to check is make sure there are no pins bent on the CPU slots here. So let's see. I haven't worked in this type of hardware in such a long time that, let's see if I remember correctly. It's that there. And that there. Let's see here. Okay, let's see if I can bring you guys in closer. There's that one there. And my lighting stinks, so bear with me here. Looks good. Doesn't look like we've got any bent pins in there, so that's good. I mean, it's a brand new board, so I wouldn't expect any bent pins, but you never know. Okay. Let's see if I remember how I took this out. Oh, I'm gonna bend the pins myself in a minute. Let's see. There we go. That there. That there. I need to bring this one in first. Okay. There we go. Well, let's look at the other one here. Okay. Sorry if my bare paws are in the way there, but keeping you zoomed in, see if that actually works out or not. Okay, and let's see. All right, I meant zoomed in, not zoomed out. Anyways, let's see, here's this one. No bent pins as expected. Alrighty. That, and that's that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, and if you can, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.